guys! Also, people, welcome to my channel! I am wearing the same shirt, but it doesn't matter because we're going to talk about the lip tints or the velvet tints that I've tried that are full coverage. So I thought of doing this video because I've tried a couple of tints that are covering my lips without that powder hack that we all do, you know. So I want to share with you the tints that I've found that covers your entire lips just by using the product itself. So let's start. First tint that I have here, the one I've been waving around, is this Peripera Ink Airy Velvet Tint. So this is the shade number 5 and I only have the mini one. I got this from Althea. I do have a separate video of this product, so if you want to know more about the details of this, please check that out. So I have here the shade number 5 and it looks like this. It has a doe foot applicator and this is an airy velvet tint. So it has that velvet creamy texture when you put it on. It's not like a water-based lip tint, but again, it's still a tint, so it passes the criteria of a full coverage lip tint. So let me swatch it for you. There you go. As you can see, it covers my entire lips. It feels so lightweight. It's very velvety on your lips. I love it. This is actually one of my favorites as well. So yeah, check this out, Peripera. Next one is a Peripera dupe. This is like a Facebook shop here in the Philippines. They look the same, and I recently uploaded a video that's more in-depth review for this product, so please check that out. This is this CJ Skincare and Cosmetics Powdery Ink Matte Lipstain. So again, just like the Peripera earlier, it still passes the criteria. So I have here the shade Pearly. Looks like this. Same with Peripera. Has a doe foot applicator. And this one is so pigmented. It's like a liquid lipstick, but it's not drying. It still has that velvety texture on your lips, and it does leave a stain on your lips. So it passes the criteria, and let's swatch it. So here is the tint on my lips. As you can see, it looks like a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry down like really matte. It has that velvet texture. It covers my entire lips and it leaves a little bit of stain. Yes, it passes the criteria. So again, this is the CJ Skincare and Cosmetics Powdery Ink Matte Lipstain. Next up is the Technicolor PH Liplicitint. So I also did a video of this one and I said there that it's a matte lip tint and also it's a full coverage. So it's kind of an oil-based lip tint, but when you put it on your lips, it dries down very matte and it covers your entire lips. So before you use it, you should shake it because again, it's an oil-based one. And it looks like this. There you go. See? It's full coverage. Oh my gosh. I just love this one. It's one of my top favorite lip tint in a roller thing. So I've tried many lip tints, I swear, but this is like amazing. So let's watch it again. There you go. So as you can see, it's very full coverage. It doesn't just color the inner part of my lips. It covers everything. It dries down matte. It's lightweight. It has minimal transfer. See? So minimal. And yeah, it's perfect for everyday use. This shade, actually I forgot what this shade is, but all of the Liplicitint shade range, they are matte and full coverage. The only problem that I have here is that it doesn't have a name on the tube, so it's hard for me to actually tell you the shade, but you can just watch my previous video for this one and you know, check out the shades that are available. It's full coverage! Last and definitely not the least is the Althea Watercolor Cream Tint. There you go. And all of the colors for the watercolor cream tint are very full coverage. Just so happens that this is my favorite. This is the peach cream. So I've done a video of all the new products of Althea. Please check that out. But for today, we're going to swatch this cream tint. So it has like it's smoother than a velvet tint, but there you go. It's still very full coverage when you put it on your lips. It has that floral scent, but as you can see, it leaves a stain on your skin. This passes the criteria, and let's swatch. There you go. So as you can see, it covers my entire lips, not just the inner part but also the other part of my lips. So I'm very happy with this one. I hope you guys try it out as well because it is really good. It has minimal transfer, as you can see, but it doesn't bother me because it looks really good on the lips. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you try these lip tints because they are amazing and it covers your entire lips. If you don't want to do that powder hack that we do, please check these out. And yeah, that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Please be part of the Honeybees. Comment #honeybees below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!